to EDM Suisse. My name is Yannick Göring. I'm the owner of EDM Suisse. So today I will present a ROBOFORM 350. So this machine was totally refurbished by EDM Suisse, and we cleaned the machine. As you can see, the machine is in a perfect shape. So we have one option, the key HM, keyed hard metal. So the micro finishing on hard metal. But what I would like to tell you about this machine is this particular LTC. Before, the machine came with our QCRA, you know, the robots. But the robot has few problems, it's quite hard to manage, and now is to find some PC computer is very hard to find. So today I changed the QCRI for LTC 4 position. So if you have a request or if you have an old robot, we don't need it, or it's broken, or it doesn't work, whatever. So I have the solution to put a 4 position LTC on this machine. I do all the installation, all the cables, all the pneumatics, and I took this LTC from a machine and I put on that machine. So now we have a perfect machine working with the LTC on it. Don't need any more the QCR, any robot or whatever. 4 position, Aeroba, LTC, and it works perfectly, you see? So if you have any requests, you can reach me on social media, on websites. So ask for an offer for installation of a LTC on a ROBOFORM 350. It works also on a ROBOFORM 35. So thank you for your attention. Wish you a nice day.